The challenge for this one was that we wanted to turn something simple like this do-it-yourself medium stack Slate Sphere kit and turn it into something special, something that could evolve, something that could greet all the people that are walking by, something that was sustainable. We wanted to make sure that because it's the front of the house, there's not like a water spigot that you could come and fill up. We wanted to make sure that this would be self-contained and easy to maintain all year round.
One of the best parts of this whole project is its simplicity. So really all you need is the space to be able to dig that 4x4 18-inch deep basin, and then you can actually work the garden around.
Like with everything, we're trying to push the pace, trying to find unique ways to make something basic into something extraordinary. The way that we were able to accomplish this was we took one of our artificial limestone boulders and we actually scribed around. So if you were to do this with a real rock, it would take ages. So thankfully, that little bit of an advantage using the artificial rock made things very, very easy for even one person to install. And then part of our strategy for placement, we wanted to get the sound for both bedrooms, so we went right in between, and that happened to be a perfect spot for a downspout from our east trough. So we knew every single time it rained, it was going to refill that basin. We also made sure to create a bib liner around so that way any splatter that came or during the freeze-thaw cycle during the early winter and end winter, the water wouldn't be displaced outside of that catch basin area. It would always reconnect and recollect down below.
Initially, I ran this 365 days just to get to know the product and put it through its paces so that I know if I could actually recommend or build this for other clients. And frankly, it performed wonderfully. We're now 4 years into this, just 4 different winters, and no problems whatsoever. I've probably filled this thing up once. And that is saying something. So absolutely fantastic for maintenance-free life. I've had to clean the filter of the pump twice, and I've pressure washed cleaning the sphere itself off twice in all those years. And it's had endless joy. One of the unknowns and unexpected things is by putting this water feature into the front yard, not only has multiple neighborhood animals come to enjoy, but so many neighbors themselves have been coming, and it created a foundation, a start point for us to actually improve the entire front space. We added different plants, we've added aquatic plants to come close, and we felt like we had a center point that we could work off of for landscaping itself.